It's just like he has his own freedom of expression and speech under Article 19 of Indian Constitution. So it will never be considered as a cyber criminal activities. So this is about cyber criminal. Now we are going to talk about various hackers like white hat hackers, grey hat hackers, unethical hackers. So there are various long forms of it. So if a person is aware, then only it can be prevented. There are other preventive measures as well, which we are going to talk later on. So now let's come to cyber security. What is cyber security? Cyber security is a type of a security which is given to the data of an individual. If the data of an individual is secured, if it is secured, then the cyber security will work. And the main purpose of the cyber security is just to defend the system of a person. Because if a person's computer system is defended, then the unknown viruses will never enter in that. So cyber security is that. And now the cyber security has its own types like network security, system security, application security, and information security. So these four types of security which has been given. So this is about cyber security. But now let's talk about the preventive measures. What preventive measures which can be taken for the prevention of the cybercrime, or on an individual level. On an individual level, how can a person prevent the cybercrime? Now look, for a cybercrime there is no any proper procedure, because if a person is being victim of a cybercrime, then if he goes to the police station, then the police station they are not filing FIR for that. So where that person will go? From where he will get compensation for that. So for that purpose, it is very important to have some steps on his own individual level. So what he can do, he can have its password so strong, because if he puts any easy password, anybody can guess it. So he can use antivirus. If he use antivirus softwares, then the unknown virus will never enter in his system and can cause some problem. Other than that, he should ignore pop-up images, pop-up messages, because there are certain times many pop-up images comes, and when the person enter on it, then it becomes a problem. So these are like some things for which a person should do on individual level. He should stop going to the websites and to the other things, other application which he don't know anything about, because if he downloads some applications which he don't know anything about, then how it's going to help him, because the virus will enter in his system. So for that purpose, these preventive measures, if taken by a person, then the cyber crime can be stopped, not prevented, because a person cannot prevent it over a night, because it is actually a wide scope has been widened along with the technology which is going